Ah, what was that? Okay, I'm scared. I need to call someone to come take care of this.
Thank you for calling Wilmington Paranormal Research. How can I help you?
Yeah, I really need someone to come out here and take a look at this strange activity going on in my home.
Yes, I would be glad to send someone out.
Hi, thanks for coming.
No problem. Tell me a little bit about what you've been witnessing.
I've been hearing these large boom noises.
Yeah, I'm not getting anything. But if you'd like, I can set up my equipment for the next 48 hours and see if we can pick up anything. But in the meantime, why don't you take my card? Give me a call.
Great, thanks for coming.
No problem.
The Wilmington Paranormal Research Organization was founded this semester in an attempt to give students a new and a different experience. The organization goes into homes and businesses that have reports of paranormal activity using an array of specialized equipment. For more information on recent paranormal evidence, visit the Wilmington Paranormal Research Facebook page.
I ain't afraid of no spirits. I ain't afraid of no spirits.